Good evening, everyone. The clouds have been stubborn to break down across much of the area today, and as a result, temperatures stayed in the 40s for most of us as we look at the satellite radar loop over the last 3 hours. So holding on to some of that cloud cover across the region, though it is starting to thin out, especially across western portions of the state. Precipitation-wise, we're quiet across the region, but that may not be the case as we go throughout the remainder of the overnight hours. Looking at temperatures across the two-state region, you'll notice that the warmer air is down to the south. So that's going to be working its way northward as we get into tomorrow. We're at 52 down in Carbondale. Much different than Chicago. They're up 35 degrees there. Across the viewing area, most of us are in the 40s this evening. We're at 40 in Charleston, Champaign, and in Robinson. 42 degrees in Paris. Taylorville is now our cool spot at 38 degrees. Now, as we look ahead, temperatures are going to be, again, warm tomorrow, so be sure to get out and enjoy that. We're going to be well above average. Our average is 36 degrees. We're right at that on Friday, so we do have that cool down coming for Thursday, a 20-degree drop. Then the temperatures are going to be warming up as we get into the first half of the weekend, but then on the backside of a cold front that'll be moving through this weekend, temperatures are going to be dropping well below average, down to 20 degrees for your high on Sunday. So a big shift is coming in the weather pattern. Get ready for a return to some winter weather. For tonight, though, we're staying dry for the most part through the evening hours. So if you have any plans, you'll be fine tonight. We see the cloud cover increase, and once we get into the overnight hours, early morning tomorrow, that's when we'll start to notice the chances for precipitation pick back up. Pretty scattered in nature to isolated. So we're not going to see much in the way. I don't think everyone's going to see this rain. And if you do see the showers, they're not going to be anything significant. And they're going to be mostly clearing out of the area as we get into the afternoon hours. So as you head out the door tomorrow, you may want that rain gear as we will have those spotty showers in the area. Temperature is going to be mild, though, 43 degrees. So it is going to be warming up throughout the day. We'll see those temperatures climbing into the 50s. And again, those rain showers will start to dissipate going through the remainder the daytime on Wednesday. By the afternoon, we're still under the cloud cover, and then once we get into the evening hours, that's when we'll finally start to notice that cloud cover break down across the area, but that's when the colder air will start to usher back into the region. Looking ahead into Thursday, we stay with the clear sky, so we'll finally see a return to mostly sunny conditions. That'll be a welcome sight across the area, and that trend holds with us throughout much of the day on Thursday. Now, as we get into Friday, that's when the weather pattern really starts to take a turn. This is our next system that we're really watching. There's already quite a bit of buzz on it on social media. So you'll see that we start out dry on Friday. Once we get into the afternoon hours, we will notice the chances for some snow moving into the area. And as this system continues to lift, the evening commute on Friday is probably going to have the most impact from this system. But you'll notice the warm front continues to lift off to the northeast throughout the overnight hours. That'll change us over to rain. And then as the cold front works back through, we could see some snow on the backside of this system. So you want to stay tuned to the forecast because there will be changes to it. But right now, snow looks to be on the front side of the system and the backside. But most of the precipitation looks to fall as rain as we head into the weekend. For tonight, we're down to 35 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. We'll have those isolated showers through the morning hours. But by the afternoon, we start to dry out. We still stay under those cloudy skies, though. Warm, 53 degrees, so well above average tomorrow. Be sure to get out and enjoy it because the cold fronts will be making their way through. And as they do, we're down to 33 on Thursday. The winter mix comes in for the weekend. Then we plummet down to 20 on Sunday. And check out those overnight lows back down into the teens to single digits. So definitely a return to colder weather is on the way. But the sunshine looks to return to next week. So if there's a silver lining, that's it.